Hello, and welcome to this App Studio Getting Started video. The goal of this video is to introduce the Metadata Canvas. You can use the Metadata Canvas to view or edit a data view that everyone can use over and over. You will also learn where to find all the functions in the Metadata Canvas. In App Studio, you use the Metadata Canvas to create and edit master files. Master files let App Studio control and access all your data. You can access the Metadata Canvas from the Home tab in the Data group. Click Create to create a synonym in the Metadata Canvas using tables in a data source. Click Design to create a synonym from scratch using only the Metadata Canvas. Or click Open to open an existing synonym in the Metadata Canvas. You can also right-click an application folder and click Synonym to create a synonym from tables. Or click Synonym via Metadata Canvas to design a new synonym. The Metadata Canvas displays the Metadata Tab with all the commands you can use to edit a master file. The Metadata Canvas displays the Properties panel automatically. Hidden here but easy to access are the Database Administration Security, or DBA panel, and the Business View panel. You can display these by clicking the buttons in the Tools group. The Properties panel shows the attributes of the segment or segments selected on the canvas. The DBA panel lets you set up database administration security for files or users. With the Business View panel, you can create a richer view of the master file, grouping the fields into meaningful folders. To focus on just the data that matters, you can also reduce the fields to a subset of fields from the original master file. The Metadata Canvas has 6 view tabs shown at the bottom of the canvas. These let you see and edit all the aspects of a master file. They are Field, Segment, List, Modeling, Text, and Access File. Field is what you see first when you open a master file in the Metadata Canvas. From this tab, you can view a table with all available fields. You can also add or remove fields from the table list. Segment displays all segments currently in the master file. Segments give you ways to control the hierarchy of many different data files at once. List is where you can drill into the detail of your master file. It displays a list of objects on the left, which you can choose by clicking to see the attributes and values of the item on the right. Modeling displays a graphical representation of the synonym, where you create cluster joins, view join properties, and add or edit segments. Text displays the master file in a text editor. You can edit the master file code, search it and replace text, print it out, and save your changes. Access files provide additional information about the physical method to access the data sources used in your master file. You can edit these to change them, or just use this as a viewer, and let Create Synonym keep them updated for you. You can add new fields, calculations, also known as defines and computes, filters, groups, or variables by using the shortcut menu when you select an object in the Field View tab. In the Field View tab and Segment View tabs, use the shortcut menu to add a segment, which can bring new data into the view. To learn more, visit the WebFocus 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.